Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I've had a few people question or want to know, is the Midland MXR10 repeater, is it the Retevis RT97S repeater? Well, I don't have the Retevis RT97S repeater, but I do have the Retevis RT97 that does not have the data port. But that don't matter for the test that I'm going to show you. I have the repeater hooked up to the Midland software. So let's see if I can use this Midland software on the Retevis. So the first thing we're going to do, we got to make sure we set our COM port. And in my case, it's going to be COM port 8. So I got that set. So now what we're going to do, let's do a read. Let's read the data from the Retevis repeater using the Midland software. Let's hit read. Don't worry about the password according to Midland's help file. We're going to hit read. Well, it looks like to me it's working just fine. Down here, if you watch, let me get my little fancy pen. You watch the bars down here as it's reading down here. It read it. This is what I have on that repeater. So let's go ahead and change something and see if we can write to it. So let's go ahead and get let's change this one to low power. So now we want to write this file to the repeater. Let's hit this. Again, don't worry about the passwords. And it said that it writ it to the repeater. So let's read it back to make sure. So let's do a new to kind of clear this per se. And remember, I changed this one. Let's read it and see if it comes up as low. And it looks like to me, well, guess what? That software I can use just fine. Without any problems. And this is the Midland programming software being used on a Retevis RT97 repeater. So there you have it. It's starting to look like, if it walks like a duck, quack like a duck, it's going to be a duck. There you guys have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe.